You know Rec got you. Reckless. Raw Records. I think you deserve that, cause in the bed, ma, you a frisky cat. I love daddy dick, always and forever. The text you sent me on January 27th. Your dude's a lame, so you know I gotta get your mom. It's no comparison, you know I should be with your mom. With this camera, baby, I'ma freeze the moment. When you're most happy, it's the one you're most on it. I got haters, so I guess I'm famous. They pull out of the race and I guess they can't take it. When they do that, they leave your heart aching. I'm something like a doctor, I find it and then replace it. It's a shopping spree. You the queen, so you know you rollin' with the shopping king. Pinch yourself 1,000 times, can't wake up cause it's not a dream. My sexy karma skin, chica with the perfect body skin. Give you what you need, won't ask for everything. I love to do because you never ask for anything. My house is your dressing room, my face is your mirror, boo. Every outfit you put on, you know it is incredible. I turn you to a freak with 2 fingers in your pussy. My thumb on your click while I'm eating up your cookies. The way I do it now, you can tell your boy a rookie. Cause all I do is look and I can tell it's getting gushy. And I lick so you push me, cause you never had your pussy ate by a rookie. A pro, the ultimate, the one that make you blush. I eat that pussy slow and then it drip like a rush. And your wish is my command, so when I say hush, you're my only customer, I love to serve you up. My mind's too addicted to your lips, I got to crush. You're used to me, baby, so you wet by my touch. Put your nails in me, baby, if I give you what you want. If I fulfill your fantasies and I can make you moan. Who you know can make you nut without even fucking. I brag a lot, I back it up cause I'm knowing there's nothing.
Tell me what you want.